Hi guys, welcome back. So I already created this section called what, and this is the section, and I styled it so that it looks quite similar to what we have here. And we see this, color, this green color, to be repetitive everywhere. It is used across the site. Here in this, you know, email, this button everywhere. So we might want this blue color that we created to be mentioned somewhere globally, and so that we can use it everywhere. Now, we are going to do that. It's better if we do it in a file and use it everywhere. So here I'm going to create something like style.css. Okay, so I'll just have a body class here and do background color to be red, just to see if it imports properly. So I'm going to layout. We're going to import in this layout because it's used route layout, which is used everywhere. Maybe before navbar, I'll import slash dot dot slash. I'll try to get to that folder static slash style dot css. And so we have the background to be red, so I'm gonna remove that now. Now if you remember, in here we added some styles. Now we can move it from app.html and to style, right? So that's gonna still work. And okay, what else we had? We wanted this color, so this is coral flower blue. We are gonna go here and do root, and we're gonna define a custom variable in CSS, which is quite useful. So I'm gonna do something like // primary color, or maybe primary is better. Color to be coral flower blue. Now the way we can access this is through var and primary color. So let's see how to do that. So our hero has this background. Let's see if we can replace this with that variable hyphen primary color. Okay, so what is it? Unexpected input. Okay, so semicolon. All right, so it is not coming in here. So let me refresh. Not quite sure why it is not. Dynamically imported module is outside of wheat. Yeah, so you might see this error, request wheat outside of allowed list. So there is a way to solve this. So just copy this, maybe this error which is there. So I'll just paste it, and I have gone through that already, so I see it. Yeah, so this is it. File system allow list. Oh, this is Cotpens. Okay. I'll just do that in wheat config here. You don't really have to worry about what's happening. So I think fs is it fs server. Okay, so server fs. This might solve it, or you can also try moving this CSS into somewhere like library or something. So that's also fine. You can also move it to route. It's quite fine. All right, let's get back to our page here. Now I don't see the style to be used, even though I mentioned primary color. Ah, okay, it's primary color. Okay, primary color. Now it is getting it. Okay, so now we can use that in our what section a tag also. So here, if I go and change a tag text decoration none and color to be var -- primary color. Okay, now this also changed. That's good. hover, there is a style which I'll take care of. Our text decoration, underline. No, there is an underline. Okay. Now that is done. Our aim in this one was to create a button, but I think I ended up doing this CSS thing, custom variable, which is good because in our button, however, we will need that color to be used everywhere. So it's good that we moved it there. I'll just see anything that is like to be completed. So there is this footer which can be easily done using something like this, footer.svelte. Create the file, so we'll have a division, and then we might or may not need a container. Footer has its own tag, so let's just use that. In this case, we'll do a style tag here and footer. Background color is different, could be gray. Okay, so this is the same color. This, and inside container we want, what is it? Copyright your website 2019, right? Maybe we want this to be centered, so to the container, to text align center. See, even though I'm adding some styles to the container, it will only be applicable here in the footer, nowhere else. Let's import that in our layout. After below slot, we'll have footer. It's auto imported here, and footer is there. The padding and the color are different, so I'll just change that. So I think it has a good padding, top and bottom, nothing on left and right. It should do it. Also color, so just have color as white. Yeah, that seems to be doing it. Now 2019 should be changed to 2023 for the 2022. In like a day or two, it'll be 2023. So let's make this dynamic. So this is one way of doing it. So let's go to script, and now const date or year equals, we can do new date, use this, and dot get full year. Okay, so when we do this, the year will be the current year, so I'll just replace that, something like this. So this is why Svelte is so useful. 2022, now it is 2022, so in a few days it'll be 2023. Okay, so the next thing, we'll do the buttons, and maybe we'll fetch data. We'll see. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.